guys, and today I am going to be showing you how to add Xneon, the bot Xneon, into your Discord server to add channels, roles and permissions. So first of all, you want to head down to your browser, search up Xneon bot. When it's done, go on to the top link, add to Discord. Then find your Discord that you'd like to use. Authorize all of this. Once you're here, go to templates, and then find the thing you're looking for. I'm going to do ERLC or gaming, and then once you're done, just press here, and then go into your Discord, do /template, and it will be the top one, template load, template ID, and then once you've copied all this, you can get rid of all that, just so it still works here. And then you just press enter, enter, continue, and it will do literally everything for you over the time span of 5 minutes, as you'll see now in a moment. Also, if you'd like to see how far it has gone, you do /template load or /template activeness, I think it was. But as you can see, it adds everything in here for you. Adds a name. You go into server settings, it should add a roles. Yep. And yeah, that's just a quick, simple tutorial on how to use Xneon bot. Hope this video helped, and yeah, see you in the next one.